You probably clicked this because you want to find a side hustle. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to another video. My name is Randyton, here to tell you what is the best side hustle. Now you're probably wondering, why do we need a side hustle? This day and age of this life, we tend to get dog walkers, Uber drivers, just to help us on our stuff because we are too lazy or too drunk. In other words, this is starting to become a need for everyone, and this specific need makes us money. Now, you probably watch most of these videos on how does Mr. Beast make money and the science of making money. If you didn't, you can probably watch them after this video. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna talk about this specific side hustle, which is vaping. No, I mean selling vapes. Selling vapes. Hear me out, guys. Now, the reason why these vapes are high in sales is because they're very addictive. Have you ever seen anyone get out of a vape? You probably saw most people, but they are pretty addictive, and you can probably earn lots and lots of money out of this. Now, using this logic, a good producer never consumes their own product. Probably what Walter White said, but now you're probably wondering, why does it work? Like I told you, it's very addictive. So you're bound to get some loyal customers to get your stuff, to get those vapes.